The wait is over. Oukitel has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the Oukitel RT6 tablet, a rugged powerhouse developed to cater to the needs of adventure seekers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a reliable device to withstand harsh conditions. One of the standout features of the Oukitel RT6 is its massive 20,000 mAh high-capacity battery. This battery ensures that you stay connected and powered up for extended periods, making it the perfect companion for long journeys, camping trips, or remote expeditions where access to charging points might be limited. Running on the latest Android 13 operating system, the Oukitel RT6 offers a seamless and user-friendly experience. With Android 13, you can enjoy all the latest features, improvements in security, and optimizations for enhanced performance. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or multitasking between apps, the tablet's smooth operation will keep you engaged and entertained. Sporting a spacious 10.1-inch display, the Oukitel RT6 offers a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching your favorite videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or working on important tasks, the tablet's display delivers crisp and clear visuals that bring content to life. The Expandable Ram is another notable feature that sets the Oukitel RT6 apart from the competition. With the option to increase the RAM, you can optimize the tablet's performance to suit your needs, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free operation, even when running multiple apps simultaneously. Oukitel understands the demands of outdoor enthusiasts, and that's why they promise extended outdoor productivity with the RT6. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes, working on the go, or capturing memories with the tablet's camera, you can rely on the RT6's endurance to keep up with your activities for prolonged periods. When it comes to ruggedness, the Oukitel RT6 doesn't disappoint. Built to withstand the harshest environments, the tablet boasts an IP68 and IP69K rating, making it not only dust and water resistant, but also capable of handling high-pressure water jets. Additionally, the mAh STD810 standard ensures it can endure shocks, drops, and extreme temperatures, giving you peace of mind during your rugged adventures. Battery life is often a crucial factor for outdoor devices, and the Oukitel RT6 rises to the challenge. Its high-capacity battery provides extended usage time, allowing you to watch videos, play games, and accomplish tasks without constantly worrying about running out of power. The inclusion of a USB-C port with fast charging capabilities up to 33 watts further adds to the convenience of keeping the device juiced up on the go. But the Oukitel RT6 doesn't stop there, it offers even more versatility. The tablet can also serve as a power bank, thanks to its USB-C cable, enabling you to charge other devices when needed, making it a valuable companion for your other gadgets. The innovative and heavy-duty rear panel kickstand is a standout feature of the RT6. It not only acts as a sturdy stand for hands-free use, but can also transform into a handle for easy carrying. For added flexibility, you have the option to swap it out for a hand strap or carrying strap, further enhancing the device's portability and usability. The 14.4:9 aspect ratio and display resolution of 1200x1920 pixels provide a delightful balance between screen real estate and pixel density. The Oukitel RT6's display is developed for better visibility outdoors, and with a peak brightness of 400 nits, you can expect excellent readability even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Oukitel RT6 boasts impressive specifications. With 8 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have ample space for your files, apps, and media. The tablet is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 chipset, a refreshed Helio P60 variant, which ensures snappy performance and efficient power management. The Oukitel RT6 continues to impress with its cutting-edge features, offering users a powerful and rugged Android tablet experience. One standout feature of the RT6 is its dual SIM 4G LTE architecture, providing users with the convenience of using 2 SIM cards simultaneously. What's more, the Oukitel RT6 is priced competitively at $252.46 on AliExpress, making it an attractive option for those seeking a feature-packed rugged tablet without breaking the bank. Moreover, additional discounts in the form of coupons are available, making the RT6 an even more cost-effective choice for budget-conscious consumers. What do you think about the new tablet? I would like to know your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.